success is like knowing the combination to a lock. If you know the combination to a lock, it doesn't matter if you are black or white, if you live in Mumbai or Bangalore or Paris or Canada or New York City. Doesn't matter if you graduated from university or did not. Doesn't matter if your IQ was high or low. If you know the combination to the lock has to open. He said, to me, success is like knowing the combination to a lock. Now the problem is, if you have a combination to a lock, but you're missing one number, it doesn't matter how many times you turn that dial, how hard you work, the lock will never open. If you have all the correct numbers but in the wrong order, the lock will never open. So many of you know a lot of the things that you are learning here today. You've read books, you've been to seminars, you know some of the numbers, but if you don't have them in the right order and do them in the right way, in the right sequence, at the right time, then what happens is you don't get the success you want. So today I want to share with you a system that is literally a system of knowing the right thing to do in the right order to apply all the things you've been learning today and everything else you know so you can achieve the success both financially, in your businesses, as entrepreneurs, in your families, your health, etc.